Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Tellor or TRB. Had to make a video on that because it's been super bullish over the last. This happened yesterday, early afternoon. Rallied up by about 65%, so absolutely crazy. For those of you who know Tellor, know it can do things like this. So it's not completely crazy, but in the end, still wanted to give you my thoughts on it right now. Wanted to look at some numbers, as we always do in these videos, and tell you what I think is most likely. All right. First of all, purely technically right now. First of all, what I want to say is that if you are a beginning trader, be careful. All right, because Tellor is notoriously difficult to trade and also notoriously manipulated. Right, so for example, I would identify Tellor as bullish right now. All right, so we dropped down to this previous resistance right here at $64, and we got a bullish retest from that. But we paid almost no attention to the 200 EMA and the 382 FIB, which normally, especially for trending crypto, which Tellor is, normally those are respected. All right, so in general, the normal rules and strategies that you might have learned somewhere do not work with Tellor. So be careful for that. And just in general, you can also see, I mean, we gained, if you look at the open interest, we gained about $70 million in open positions in a matter of 12 hours. So if that's not enough confirmation that we are manipulated, then I don't know what will do it. But in the end, excuse me, I have a little bit of a cough. But in the end, I don't think that manipulation actually matters. All right. If we look at the technicals right now, like I said, after getting this retest, we are still bullish. And we found resistance at this major resistance level right here between $75 and $80, both psychological resistance levels, also supported by the 50 EMA right here. But the big question is can we actually rally higher? Can we rally back into the 90s, for example? That would be my first price target. And I think the answer at this moment is yes, all right? Even though we have dropped down quite a bit in the last 8 hours, we have successfully retested. And I think breaking above $75, even though $80 is also a very strong resistance level, I think that's enough. But we do need to get that breakout, all right? So then the question becomes, do I think it's most likely that we will get that breakout? And if you look at the current situation, like I said, it's always hard to say with Tellor. But the current situation is that we are still gaining momentum. The open interest is still very high, and also in the last 2 hours or so, it's been increasing. The spot buying is still going on, so more people are buying spot, and the open interest that we are getting right here is both short positions being closed with a negative open interest and a positive CVD, and new long positions being opened. So I have to tell you that I think it's most likely that we're going to be bullish. Now, do I think we can break above $75 and $76 here? Yes, I think we can break above that. But I'm not going to tell you that that's going to happen. All right, we're probably going to get up there, and keep an eye on it yourself. If we can break above that, then we are heading into the 90s probably. But you do have to monitor, and you do have to keep an eye on that breakout yourself. All right, because of the fact that TRB is too difficult to predict, I cannot predict that for you. For the same instance, we just get up there with the momentum we have, and then all of a sudden, all of the positions by those whales or those manipulators get closed, and then we'll fall down hard. So be careful. Most likely is more bullish momentum, but this can turn around very, very quickly, especially if the open interest and the CVD starts getting negative. But those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.